Choosing PuroClean of Southeast Sacramento means opting for professionals who consistently surpass industry standards. Our highly experienced technicians employ the latest technology to efficiently handle projects of any size. Opting for a budget company might save you money initially, but it can compromise your property's long-term durability. Trusting PuroClean ensures that your property receives top-notch care for water, fire, roof, or any kind of situation, giving you peace of mind and no regrets. We assist you in navigating the complexities of dealing with both national and local insurance companies. Our expertise streamlines the claims process, ensuring timely and accurate filing, which significantly reduces your stress. Emergencies need immediate action to prevent further damage. PuroClean offers 24/7 emergency service, so you can reach us anytime for comprehensive restoration services, including water, fire, and mold remediation. Contact us at 916-272-1105 for expert service you can trust.